Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and exposing the connection points. Remove the cartridge and the top connector because dust and oxidation cause the blinking symptom. Use 90% plus isopropyl or a contact cleaner on the cartridge pins. Rub gently with a cotton swab while holding the console steady. Next, measure the power adapter output. It should read 9V DC with the NES style center negative polarity, because incorrect voltage or unstable power often triggers the blinking light. Once done with external checks, open the case to access the 72-pin connector and mainboard. You want to inspect for loose solder joints, cracked traces, or blown caps. These affect signal integrity. If the 72-pin is worn, either replace it with a new part or carefully retension the pins so cartridges make consistent contact. If you see bad solder or hairline cracks, reflow the joints with controlled heat, because restoring solid connections fixes intermittent reads that cause blinking. Reassemble the NES and test using at least 2 known good cartridges to eliminate a bad cart. You should also try a different 9V adapter and ensure the console is properly grounded, since unstable supply or noise can mimic cartridge failure. If blinking continues, swap the 72-pin connector or repeat the contact cleaning procedure. Often the issue returns from incomplete cleaning or a marginal connector. If nothing works, consider professional board repair. The CPU or PPU fault can...
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.